Hello everyone. The topic for today is median, mode, and range. Right now I want you to pause the video so you can copy down your notes and then resume when you're ready. The median is the number that's in the middle when all the numbers are put in order from least to greatest. If there's an even amount of numbers, then you have to find the average or find the mean of the two numbers in the middle, and we'll go over an example like that. The mode is the number that occurs most often. Please note that there's not always a mode, meaning there might not be a number that occurs most often. And there can also be more than one mode. So there could be 2 or 3 or 4, however many modes there are. The range is the largest number minus the smallest number. So let's take a look at the first example and let's find the median. So the first thing that we have to do is put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So let's do that. Now that they're in order from least to greatest, we can find the median. That's the number in the middle. There is our median. Now, if we did not put these numbers in order from least to greatest, we would say that the median was 13, when in fact the median is actually 22. Okay, now let's take a look at the next example and let's find the median. First, we have to put them in order from least to greatest. So for the most part, it's the same set of numbers. We just added one at the very end. So before we had 5 numbers, here we have 6. Anytime you have an even amount of numbers, you have to look at the two numbers that are in the middle. In this case, it's 22 and 25. Well, we have to find the average or the mean of those two numbers. So 25 plus 22, 47. 47 divided by 2. So our median is 23.5. So yes, I realize that is not one of the numbers that's in the data set, but because it is the median of those two numbers, that is why it is the median of the data set. Finding the mode, again, you must have all of the numbers in order from least to greatest. And the reason that putting them in order from least to greatest helps is because you start to notice which ones you're writing more than once, if any. So here we have 28 twice, therefore the mode is 28. Now, if we did not have one of those 28s, if that were the case, there would be no mode because all of them happen an equal amount of times. Finding the range is taking the highest number and subtracting the lowest number. So the highest number in this data set is 28. The lowest number is 13. We subtract those, we get 15, therefore the range is 15. Looking at another example, it says to determine the median and the mode of the set of data. That's the instructions. So again, we have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest first. So 15, 15, 20, 24, 25, 25, and 30. So the median, again, is the number that's in the middle when they're put in order from least to greatest. So the median is 24, so that eliminates those two examples. Well, 15 happens twice as well as 25. So both 15 and 25 are the mode. So D is our answer. Now, I want you to answer question 2 and 3. Bring those answers along with any questions that you may have with you to class tomorrow. Let me point out that the instructions for number 3 say to find the mean, the median, and the mode of the data. So just make sure you keep that in mind as you're solving that problem.